Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the BOT Bullseye Forecaster Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. As you can see, this indicator draws a line for us on the chart, and we can use this line to identify the trend. In this way, when the price is above this line, like in this area, it indicates an uptrend. And when the price is below this line, like in this area, it indicates a downtrend. This indicator...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Has no input settings, and it automatically adapts and adjusts itself based on the symbol you are trading on. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.